Today it's the 19th of September 2022. We have Puistokaari, Parksvängen, was it 13?
Yes.
Yes, 13 take a see here in Lauttasaari, Drömsö, close to Koivusaari, Björkholmen metro station, and also close to Koteharju, Enåsen. It's in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusio, Finland, with 5 floors. We have just filmed the sections A and B here. It was built in 1956, turned 65 sold in the last year, 2021. And the serial number is H6836. This has 3 rights. This should have been in Swedish, not in English.
Yeah.
So we're expecting the next year, 2023, with 5 floors. And the floor indicator you can also watch from Steg SA, where we did the whole full right work for it. This one was on the top floor when we called it down.
Yeah.
Let's take 3 rights here.
Kiva inspected, maintained by Kone. Though the doors, entrance doors were replaced in 1986, but luckily the elevators were not replaced then. Yeah.
Again, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And let's go to the last staircase in this residential building, which will be staircase D.
That's